All right, let's get right into it. Today, I'm going to hand you the single best AI prompt trick I use literally every single day. It's a dead simple formula that turns all that confusing jargon into, well, crystal clear gold. And seriously, it's going to completely change how you learn with AI. You ready for this? Now, it sounds a bit backward, right, to dumb something down? But trust me, asking the AI to simplify things is actually the smartest way to get the answers you really need. Forget trying to sound smart for a machine. We're about to make the machine smart for us. Because let's be real, this is the enemy. You know the feeling. You ask a simple question and you get back this wall of text. It's like a page out of a textbook filled with technical terms that just make your eyes glaze over. It's unhelpful, it's frustrating, and honestly, it's why most people just give up and get stuck. But this is the secret weapon that cuts right through all that noise. It's just 3 simple carts. First, you just state the topic that's frying your brain. Second, you hit it with the magic phrase, like I'm 12. This forces the AI to drop the ego, drop all the fancy words. And third, the knockout punch. You give it a common activity to build an analogy around. And that's it. That's the whole thing. So why on earth does this work so incredibly well? Well, think of it like this. An AI is brilliant, yeah, but it's just matching patterns. It has no idea what you actually need. So a vague question gets you a vague, useless answer. This prompt, though, it's like giving it super specific GPS coordinates. You're forcing it to be clear, to be simple, and to give you a comparison that actually sticks in your head. Let me show you a real-world example. Okay, let's take blockchain. If you ask about it normally, you're instantly drowning in words like hashes, nodes, distributed ledgers. I mean, what even is that? But if you use the hack, explain blockchain like I'm 12, using an analogy like sharing toys, you get something completely different, something you can actually use. It's a shared toy box, right? With a public notebook. Everybody has a copy of the pages. So if one person tries to change the story, well, everyone else's copy proves them wrong. No cheating allowed. And just like that, this super complex idea, it just clicks. That right there, that's the power of this hack. Okay, let's put it into action and take down a few more examples. First up, a classic, a tech term that trips up so many people, APIs. It just sounds complicated. And yeah, the standard definitions, they don't help at all. So if you just go and ask what is an API, you're going to get a boring technical definition that'll put you to sleep. But watch what happens when we use the formula. Simple language and a pizza analogy. And boom, there it is. The API is just you calling the pizza place. You don't need to know how the oven works or how they make the dough, right? You just place your order, they handle all the mess in the kitchen, and you just get the hot pizza delivered to your door. That's it. It's so simple. Let's switch gears. Let's go from tech to science, climate change. It's a huge, incredibly complex topic. How can we possibly use the hack to get to the core of what's happening? We frame it with something we all get, blankets on a bed. The Earth needs one blanket, that's the atmosphere, to stay warm and cozy. But what's been happening is we've been adding extra blankets on top of it, trapping way too much heat. And now, well, it's just getting too hot under there. All of a sudden, the whole idea of the greenhouse effect becomes incredibly simple and intuitive. Now, for a common business term you hear all the time, SEO, search engine optimization. Every website owner hears about it, but what does it actually mean? Think of it like a game of hide and seek, where the goal is to get found and get found fast. You want to hide your website where Google looks first by using good keywords, and you want to wear bright clothes by having great content, so you get noticed right away. Simple, kind of fun, and it instantly makes sense. All right, you've got the basic hack down, you get it. But now it's time for the pro move. This is how you turn that new understanding into actual action. Right after you get that perfect, simple explanation, you hit the AI with a follow-up prompt, something like, great, now give me 3 beginner steps and keep explaining it like I'm 12. This keeps the AI in that simple, helpful mindset and gives you actionable next steps. This is how you go from, oh, I get it, to, okay, I can actually do this. So you have the formula, you have the pro move. The only thing left is to put it into action yourself. So here's your challenge. Open up whatever AI tool you use, and I want you to try this exact prompt. Explain quantum computing like I'm 12 using an analogy like flipping coins. This isn't just a trick, it's a whole new way to learn. So what are you waiting for? Go stop overcomplicating everything and start understanding. Go try it. Peace.